The Flatlanders need a store to sell their gems and more. They need it really quick, Angular will do the trick. Directives set the stage in your HTML page. Controllers give your app the behavior that it lacks. Write expressions so that you can add your data to the view. And modules make connections with dependency injections. You're a scripting connoisseur when shaping up with AngularJS.
You're watching Shaping Up with Angular, and this is level 5, where we're going to be talking about dependencies and services. Back in our app.js, our application is starting to get pretty long. And well, we've got a lot of different things happening. Directives that are concerned with one things are mingling with other directives, and we need a way to organize this code. To do that, we're going to start isolating some of our code in their own modules. The first step here is to pull out, let's say, all of our product-related directives into the products.js file. Here, we're going to wrap it in its own closure and then define app equals Angular module, declaring a new module just for product things, and then specify the module name of store-products. There's nothing magical about the module name here. We just decided to call it store-products because it's the products which belong to the store. You'll notice we're using that app variable in both our app.js and products.js, which is fine because they're both wrapped in a closure. Now we need to tell our store module that it depends on this store products module. To do that, we simply add it to that blank array when we initialize our store module. The other thing we need to do to make this work is to include this products.js file inside our index.html. Now, if we go back to our web page, hey, big surprise, it still works. But this time our code is a little more maintainable. It's best to split out modules based on their functionality. So in our case, we'll take all the functionality for products and only products and put it inside products.js. Directives like product title and product panels. If we had a shopping cart or a contact page on our store, it might be good to create module files for those as well. Why don't you try creating a module, and I'll see you back in the last section.